Hello artists! Here is a blazer cape that I just finished today. Here's the pattern. I drew from Illustrator. So I started off by drawing the pattern on this fabric. And I am using this plastic Bonfit patterner. You can actually find them in any vintage shop, or probably you can Google them. So I drew the back and the front of the blazer cape, and then I pinned them and cut them all the way. And I also drew the pattern of the sleeves, although I don't want to sew the sleeves all the way to the blazer. I still wanted that it will just be likely to be open so that I could just put it on me. And the result of the pattern, the back and the front, is like this. And here how it turned out when I put it out on and tried it on the model doll. So what do you think? And this is actually measured according to my size, and the idea is also to have like red belt on it, so probably you can use any sort of belt. And if you want to buy the pattern, you can just send me a message. Thank you, Panduro, for this cotton fabric. It releases my creativity. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.